Hello friends, welcome to my channel if you're new, or welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this balloon column, so let's get right into it. Right here we have 20 balloons of one color. This is an 18-inch balloon for the topper, 40 balloons of the main color, and 20 balloons of our third color. So this is a balloon sizer. A balloon sizer will allow you to get the size of the balloons just about the same for every balloon. This is my first time using it. I will leave a link in the description for this. Turned out pretty good, so I was able to size the balloons to have them all look about the same size. This particular sizer has different sizers. You can do a 6-inch, a 4-inch, a 9-inch, but today we're going to do the 8-inch balloon. Right now I'm just blowing the balloons up and I'm trying to get it to go through the hole. I just do it a couple of times to make sure I get it to go through there. And then I'm taking the next balloon and I'm doing the same thing. I'm blowing it up and I'm taking it through the balloon sizer. Now when you take it the balloon sizer, you can also deflate some of the air. That's what you hear right now, and I like to try to make that round shape. Both of the balloons, tie them together, and then you're going to set it aside and you're going to make another set of 2 balloons. If you're doing a column that has 3 colors like this one that I'm doing, you do want to make sure that in your total of 4 balloons, you want to make sure that you have 2, which is your dominant color, 2 balloons, and I think this was a super light pink that I had for my dominant color, but 2 balloons will be the same color and the other 2 balloons will be different colors. Once you get the 2 sets of your balloons, and then we're going to take them and we're going to just pretty much just wrap them around each other, and we're going to form what this is called a quad, and this is what we're going to use to make our balloon column. Make sure you use 12-inch balloons when you do this look. I had some 10-inch balloons, and as you see right here, I had to re-inflate it again to try to get it to stretch in order to use it. So in order to do this look, I just needed a total of 10 quads, and then also my 18-inch balloon for the topper. This is a lamp pole that I got like from Walmart. Now what I'm doing is sliding my balloon onto there and crisscross the balloons over each other to lock them in place. And then you want to push the balloon down to make sure it's pushed down as far as you can. And then with me adding the second quad of balloons, you can also see that I am already forming the spiral. Just make sure that you have to twist the balloon sometimes to make sure that your spiral is formed, just like I did here. Sometimes you just twist the balloon over to make sure that it is following in the right path for the spiral to come out correctly. Well, this is my first time too. I could have just pushed down the balloons a little bit more so it wouldn't be so gappy, but in the end it does turn out pretty good. Right here, I'm just trying to show you a close-up. You see the pole right here, and then I'm going to take those 2 balloons and I'm going to twist those around each other to lock it into place. I'm just about to speed it up for you a little bit, but you do the same thing. It's the same motion. You get the first 9 rows of balloons on, and then after you do that, before you do your last one, you see how I'm taking a balloon, I'm gonna put it on top of the pole, to cover it up. This way is for resistance, so that the balloons on the top do not pop, because I do have to add one more, which would be the 10th row of balloons. And as you can see here, you just push it down as far as you can, and this protects the final layer of balloon for not popping. Just remember to always twist the balloons to make sure they're aligned to give it that spiral look. This is the 18-inch balloon, and I'm going to show you how I attached it. This is a 260, and I'm just going to double knot it. I'm going to tie it on the bottom part of the balloon once, and you want to pull this as tight as you can to make sure it doesn't come off. And then you're going to double knot it one more time, and then pull it as tight as you can. Okay, once you do that, you have these two separate sides, and you're pretty much just going to twist the balloons onto your column. So you can see that here, I put the balloon on top. I'm twisting one side around balloons. You just want to twist it a few times around to try to just make sure it's snug and tight. I moved over to the other side now, where I'm twisting balloons around. And here, I try to move it so you can see it, but this is where I'm taking both of the sides of the 18-inch balloon, and pretty much I'm just tying them together. I'm tying them together to secure it in place so it does not come off of the top of the balloon column. And this was the final look of the balloon column. For this being my first time, I was pleased how it turned out. This is a completed look of the Barbie video that I did. If you haven't checked out that video, make sure you do that. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Don't forget to check out the completed Barbie video if you haven't, and have a royal day.